Mom, Sammy said, pulling his blanket up to his chin, I'm not sleepy yet. Can you tell me a story?
Of course, she said softly. Tonight, I'll tell you a story about a very special little star. Once upon a time, far, far away in the deep night sky, there lived a tiny star named Luma. Luma was one of the youngest stars in the sky. All the other stars twinkled beautifully every night, but Luma was always the most curious star of them all.
What was she curious about?
She was curious about Earth. Every night she loved looking down at the world. She watched children playing, people walking home, and little houses glowing with warm lights.
Okay, then.
Luma especially loved watching children when they went to sleep. She could see mothers reading bedtime stories and fathers tucking blankets around their kids. But Luma had one problem. When morning came and the sun began to rise, all the stars went to sleep behind the bright blue sky. All the stars except Luma. I don't want to sleep, Luma would say. There's so much to see. So while the other stars rested, Luma stayed awake. At first, it seemed fun. She watched birds flying, clouds moving, and rivers shining in the sunlight. But after many days, something strange began to happen. One night, when it was time for the stars to shine again, Luma tried to sparkle. But her light was very weak. Instead of shining brightly like the other stars, she flickered softly like a tiny candle. "Oh no," Luma said sadly. "Why can't I shine like the others?" Just then, the wise old moon slowly rose into the sky. The moon had been watching everything quietly. "Dear Luma," the moon said in a gentle voice, "why do you look so tired?" "I don't know," Luma replied. "I try to shine bright, but I can't." The moon smiled kindly. "Tell me, little star," the moon asked, "do you sleep during the day like the other stars?" Luma looked a little embarrassed. "Well, not really," she admitted. "I like watching the world too much." The moon nodded slowly. "Even stars need rest," the moon explained. "When you rest, your light grows stronger. When you don't rest, your light becomes weak." Luma had never thought about that before. "Do you think," she asked quietly, "that if I sleep during the day, I will shine brighter?" The moon chuckled softly. "Yes," the moon said, "rest is the secret that makes every star sparkle." So the next morning, when the sun rose and painted the sky with golden light, Luma finally decided to try something new. She closed her tiny star eyes. She floated quietly in the soft sky, and for the very first time, she slept. She slept while clouds drifted across the sky. She slept while birds sang their songs. She slept all through the bright, warm day. When night came again, something magical happened. Luma woke up feeling happy and full of energy. She stretched her little rays and looked around. The sky was dark and peaceful. Slowly, Luma began to glow. Her light grew brighter and brighter and brighter. Soon she was shining more beautifully than she ever had before. The other stars noticed immediately. "Look," one star said, "Luma is shining so bright tonight," said another. Even the moon smiled proudly. "See," the moon said gently, "rest makes your light stronger." From that night on, Luma always remembered the lesson. Every day she rested peacefully, and every night she shined like a tiny diamond in the sky. and far below on Earth, little children looked up and smiled at the bright star twinkling above them.
Wonderful.
Wonderful. Mom looked down at Sammy and whispered softly, "Just like Luma, little boys also need rest so they can shine bright tomorrow."
Sammy's eyes were getting heavy now. He yawned and snuggled deeper into his pillow. "Mom," he whispered sleepily, "do you think Luma can see me?"
Mom kissed his forehead. "Yes," she said softly. "She's watching over you right now."
Sammy looked once more at the twinkling stars outside the window. Then slowly, gently, his eyes closed. "Good night, Mom," he murmured.
"Good night, my little star," Mom whispered. And soon, Sammy was fast asleep.